In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create soundtrack with Canva AI music. So start by opening up Canva. Then next in the left panel, hover your mouse on more, then click on apps. So here, look for any AI music or audio tools. So we can use this AI music generator app. So click on it and start using it in your design. Now here, describe the music that you would like to generate. So you could use something like this. Next is select a music category. And also you can adjust the duration of the music and click on the generate button. Now the generated music will be added to your timeline. All you have to do is match it with your visuals. Also adjust the volume, trim the track, and sync it with your video scenes for a smooth flow. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!